State Farm Drive Safe and Save Review. Should you use it in 2025? In this video, I'm going to review State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program and whether it's still worth it. Drive Safe and Save is a usage-based insurance program that tracks your driving habits through a mobile app or device. It monitors speed, braking, and driving times to reward safe driving with discounts on premiums. In 2025, many users report savings of up to 30%, especially those who drive less and avoid risky behaviors like speeding or harsh braking. Enrollment is easy and voluntary with no impact on your rates if you choose not to participate. The app provides feedback to help improve your driving habits as well. Privacy concerns exist since the program collects detailed driving data, so review the privacy policy before enrolling. If you're a cautious driver looking to reduce your insurance costs, Drive Safe and Save can be a good option. However, if you drive frequently or aggressively, discounts might be limited. And that's the State Farm Drive Safe and Save review for 2025.